Hi everyone, how are you doing? So as you can see, we are in my bedroom, which suggests we are doing a try on today. I'm super excited. So today I have two shirts in this little mailer from Thread Tank, and I am so excited. I saw Christy from Georgia Sunshine open some tops and wear them, and they were so cute. They look so comfy, and she raved about them. So when they reached out to me to try some of their items, I was thrilled. They have such a cool website. They have so many different styles of shirts, and they all have like little messages on them. They're really fun. So their whole motto is like stories you can wear. So they have shirts for men, women, and children, and they have so many different options. When I was browsing through, I could not decide what I wanted, but I think I picked two good ones. It looks like they're made from great material. Everything seems awesome. So I am going to link down below the items I received along with their website. I also have a promo code. They gave me one, which is super awesome. Thank you. But for 10% off, it's Kitty10, but of course I will leave that down below. And that is active through the end of August. So if you like what you see, definitely check out their website. So I will leave my computer right here. I always have this in front of me for information with new subscriptions, new stuff, all of that. So I will look and see like how much my shirts cost and all of that as we go about it. So let's see what I got. It's been storming here. It's like super dark outside, and what is it? It's 3:20. All right, so in the mailer, here are my bags, and it says coffee on it. I just made a coffee. You might be able to like see it in the background. It's a little too hot, but I was just like feeling a little tired. I think it's this rain, but I need some coffee. This reminded me, I have some waiting for me after this. All right, so I have two shirts here. Oops, something just fell into the ground. But the shirts are both wrapped up individually. Let's see what we have here. It says, thank you. We're so excited to have you as part of our Thread Tank family. We'd love to align our brand with those who aspire to inspire. Everyone has a voice, and we're so glad that you are letting us be a part of your journey. Thread Tank apparel is designed and handcrafted in Los Angeles, California. Our tops are super soft, comfy, and best of all, it tells your story. Awesome. And again, there's the stories you can wear. So this is what the first one's package looks like. It says stories you can wear again on there. I like that slogan. Oh my god, this does feel like good quality. So I think both the ones I picked out are V-necks because I just like that style the best. Oh, this one's funny. It says may contain wine. It's like heather gray, so I will try this on. Should I wear this to get my Walmart order after this? I'm picking up my Walmart groceries once this like rain stops. If I get pulled over, they'll be like, what? I'm like, not yet, it's not 5. Okay, let's see what the other one looks like, and then we can get this trying on. They seriously feel like such good quality. I got size large in both of them. So this one says grateful. I love this, and I love the color of it. And I love how it's like in cursive, and I am all about practicing gratitude and being grateful. Oh my god, these feel so nice. Let's see what they're made out of. So it says on here, machine wash warm inside out with light colors, tumble dry low. So it is made with 52% cotton, 48% polyester, made in the USA. So awesome. And let's see, what does it say on here? Oh, so it says this has a timeless and iconic fit, softest material ever created. It is really soft. Made with eco-friendly materials and processes, lightweight yet durable, breathable fabric, and washable cold water. So cool. I am super excited. Let's just see if this is the same. It feels the same, but yep, 52% cotton, 48% polyester, USA strong. Yeah. Alright, so let's get trying on. I love the fit of this. I just looked, and both cost $25.99 before the discount, but I think this is so comfy. I mean, this is perfect. I pretty much contain wine every evening. I shouldn't say that. But I love how it's a V-neck. The sleeves are comfy, not too tight or anything like that. I like where they hit, and I like where the shirt hits too, like of my shorts. This is so comfy, I love it. I love the gray. Yes. So I'm going to try on the other one. I absolutely love the color of this one. Oh my god, and again, this feels so nice. I'm totally keeping this on the rest of the day. This is so comfy and amazing. I love it. So again, it says grateful across in cursive, which I love, and I think that's a good reminder. Maybe you can like spread gratitude to others wearing this. But I absolutely love these shirts. I find the fabric is just so comfortable and soft. The V-neck is perfect. Like, I think that looks really good. I'm like staring at myself in the viewfinder right now. I love that this one says grateful. I think this is my favorite, but I love both. They have so many good designs. If you guys check it out, you have to let me know what your favorites are. But I absolutely love this. I want like all of their shirts. These are so comfy. I feel like I'll be living in these. You'll probably see me in like all of my videos wearing these. They seriously feel so well, and they're just like so comfortable. Like, they're not too fitting. I would say they're true to size, so that is awesome. I love that you can like just really wash them and dry them at home. That would be crazy to get a t-shirt and have to do anything extra like dry clean. No thank you. I really like this. I love that. I'm so excited. I could see why Christy was thrilled when I watched her video. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave the link along with the direct links to the 2 shirts I received, and my promo code if you guys want to save. I don't get anything from that code. It's just for you guys, so definitely take advantage of it if you are interested. If you like t-shirts, I think you will really like these. I have a feeling I'll be living in them, like I said. But anyways, thank you guys all for being here. Definitely let me know your opinions down below. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!